Hello student, today I am going to discuss a refraction through a prism, that is prism formula. You see the diagram, ABC is a prism. The PQ is the incident ray of light incident on face AB at an angle of incidence I. After refraction at point Q, the QR ray bends towards normal. QR ray bends towards normal and QO is the normal, so bends towards normal. And angle of refraction is R1. Now QR ray is the refracted ray, again incident on face AC at an angle R2. Again after refraction at point QR, the ray emerges out and moves away from normal NRO. So RS is the emergent ray that is moves away from the normal, and E is the angle of emergence. Now you see PQK and NQO, these two lines intersect, opposite angles are equal. So I want to find out this angle. So this angle is I minus R1, and similarly for this angle is E minus R2. We know that the sum of the interior angle is equal to exterior angle. So these two is the interior, these two are the interior angle and this is the exterior angle. So delta is the exterior angle. Now when this emergent ray travels in the backward direction, it intersects at point T. Okay. Now the direction of incident ray and the emergent rays drawn in the backward direction intersect point T and also makes an angle. That angle is called angle of deviation. Now from triangle QTR, delta equal to TQR plus TRQ. TQR this angle and TRQ this angle equal to exterior angle delta. So this angle is I minus R1, and this is E minus R2, delta equal to I plus E minus R1 plus R2. This is equation number 1. In triangle OQR, sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So R1 plus R2 QOR equal to 180 degree. This is equation number 2. In quadrilateral AQOR, angle A plus AQO plus QOR plus ARO equal to 360 degree. AQO equal to ARO, this is 90 degree because this line is perpendicular, this is normal, so this angle is 90 degree, this also angle 90 degree. So A plus 90 degree plus QOR plus 90 degree equal to 360 degree. A plus QOR equal to 180 degree, transfer 90 degree into 180 degree, 360 minus 180, that is 180 degree. Equation number 3. Now from equation 2 and 3 we have, from equation 2 and 3 we have R1 plus R2 QOR equal to A plus QOR. QOR cancel, so R1 plus R2 equal to A. Equation number 4. Now we are substituting the value of R1, R2 in equation number 1. Using equation 4 using equation 4 in equation 1, we get delta equal to I plus E minus A. A plus delta equal to I plus C. So sum of angle of prism, A is the angle of prism, sum of angle of prism and angle of deviation is equal to the sum of angle of incidence and angle of emergence. Now we are going to find prism formula. For minimum deviations of angle, for minimum deviation of the prism, deviation position of the prism, so its graph will be like this. As the angle of incidence increasing, angle of deviation decreasing. At a particular angle of incidence, angle of deviation becomes minimum, and that is angle of incidence equal to angle of emergence, then angle of deviation becomes minimum. This position of the prism is called minimum deviation position. For minimum deviation position, del equal to del m. Now the angle of deviation del equal to I plus E minus A, I plus I minus A, 2I minus A, minimum deviation, del equal to del m. So 2I A plus del m, del I equal to A plus del m by 2. Again, A equal to R1 plus R2. Since R1, R2 equal to R, say here you say I equal to E, R1 plus R2 equal to, so A equal to R plus R equal to A by 2. The refractive index of the material of the prism is given by n equal to sin I by sin R. Now we are putting the value of I and R, n equal to sin of A plus del m by 2 sin of A by 2. So this relation is known as prism formula. This relation is known as prism formula. Now dispersion of light. What is dispersion of light? It is defined as the phenomenon of splitting of white light into its constituent colors on passing through a prism. When white light passes through a prism, the white light is split into 7 colors. So like the 7 colors, there is violet to red on the screen. So this is called dispersion. White light. When white light passes through a prism, the white light is split into 7 colors. That is called visual. That is called dispersion of light. These colors violet to red. So dispersion of light can be explained by using Cauchy's formula n equal to b by a plus b by lambda square c by lambda to the power 4, where a, b and c are constant for the material. We know that wavelength of violet light is smaller than that of red light. So wavelength of violet light is less than the wavelength of red light. So therefore, using this equation 1, from equation 1, we have refracting index of violet is greater than refracting index of red. For small angled prism, we can use del equal to n minus 1 a. That is, del v is greater than deviation in the violet light is greater than deviation of red light. So this equation I am going to derive in the next video. Del equal to n minus 1 a. For today this much. Thank you.